Hey Sue, how did you go at the Blooms Perth?
I had a fantastic time with a fantastic teacher.
Wow.
Who showed no fear nor favour to everybody, which was wonderful. She gave equal time to everybody. That's you, Jack.
Thanks.
And what I found is that if you follow the system and do it properly, it can actually work. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. You have to have faith that it is going to work from the beginning to the end, and it does. And I have learned so many tips, and I've had so much information in this 4 days, more than I ever had in 1.5 years at university.
Wow.
So I would totally and thoroughly recommend this course to anyone who wants to paint. I'd love to carry on. We'll see what happens with that. Everything you've sort of read or heard about the Jack's Bloom course is actually true. I didn't know whether it was possible, but it is possible. And I've waited for several years to do this because I've been I've been reading about Jack actually for many, many years. So to finally meet her and actually do this course has been absolutely mind-blowing, actually.
Oh my
And
God.
I'm going to carry on.
Oh, you are a darling. Thank you so much. And Sue, these look great. And you've learned so much about making your greens interesting. And being brave with colour, I think, has been thematic. And just learning to, keep tweaking until it's to your liking.
Keep tweaking. And what I think is fantastic is that Jack started us off on big paintings, which doesn't usually happen until you've done your small painting.
Yeah.
She started us with big, and that's very rewarding.
Yes.
Very rewarding.
Well, you've got proof now to take home of what you can do, and 2 gorgeous paintings to hang in your house, full of gorgeous colours.
Thank you.
It's been wonderful having you, Sue. I've really enjoyed it.
So much.
And I really appreciate your comments. I know you wouldn't give them to me unless you felt them to be true. So I feel I earned them, and I did earn them.
And Jack works so hard with every single person and stays behind for hours to help and make sure that we get finished.
Yeah. To put in the extra time to make them beautiful paintings do take time. Well done. I've absolutely loved it, and I hope to see you in the future, and do stay in touch.
Take them home and impress everyone.
Yeah, do. Absolutely. Enjoy all the admiration now, because that's what's to follow. How wonderful.
Yeah. Thank you.
My pleasure.